Tell me something good, man. Funky Town, where to go? How much? All right, I got the other right side, man. This car in your class. You think you gonna have to try them one day? We got J. Malcolm in the mix the red with the blue. Put a shot of Hannah. Watch out to this. Watch out to this cup. I think I'm scared to bet. I need to call my.
Y'all talking that man name right. Keep your pants on, cause we gonna strip your ass down.
Hey, back up again. All he wanna do is boom.
Why did not boo it?
Tell me something good, man.
I'm down with Funky Town.
Oh, you down with Funky Town? Funky Town, where to go?
On your head side.
He'll lie. Hey.
Man, about to go down. We got Funky Town in the building. Where they betting at?
Hey, right here.
You right here?
Over here.
How much?
Ask him how much.
Hey,
You tell me he already locked in.
I got 100 on the other side. I bet 100. Bet 50 or 100. Which one? Bet 100. All right, I got the other right side, man. Car in your class? Huh? Is this car in your class?
Yes.
Okay.
Hey, that motherfucker ain't no, this motherfucker ain't no punk.
Yeah.
Hey, for sure, like, I ain't one of the punks.
You think you gonna have to try them one day?
You already know.
I told him, hey, mix the red with the blue and then put a shot of Hennessy in there too. Say, man, they go down. They go down. Watch out to this. Watch out to this cup. Watch out to this cup. I think I'm scared to bet. I need to call my bet off. It's too much controversy.
Hey, listen, you got dope. Until you was at the mix. You can't get your ass back right here. Until you was at the South Miss.
Hey, man. Lock in both ways. We're gonna race this one first. Then we're gonna race the blue. I mean, purple, whatever the fuck it is.
Why y'all talking that man name race?
Talking to me, I was talking to you.
Hey, man, let him concentrate.
After we make the nigga hot out there,
And then we'll whoop your ass. Why he so mad?
Just hold on. Keep your pants on, cause we gonna strip your ass down.
Everybody been over there on that side. I ain't never seen him win no race. I ain't never seen this car win, bro, so I don't know. Damn. I think I'm finna reduce my shit down, bro. I don't see. It's about to go down. I ain't gonna have enough time, y'all. Oh yeah, see, he done messed it up. Man, hey, back up there again. I spoon. Hey, get up there again. Let him ride.
Hey, get up there. Hey, you can go.
Get back up there again.
You got $100 in your motherfucking pocket.
No, what you got to drive? Why you got to drive?
I don't give a shit. You don't do shit.
Your 2,500 I drive.
Hey, bet.
Don't get locked in.
No, I bet y'all don't lock it.
We locked. I just locked it.
No, you don't lock it in.
I just locked it in.
5,000, my 2,500.
I drive.
Oh, you long you got? Come on, go tell. I bet Martin don't even let you get the keys to that thing. I bet you can't do it.
Hey, you still talking. I said it's locked.
I bet you can't do it.
I said it's locked.
You ain't going to. I bet you can't get the car.
I just locked it.
I bet you can't get the car. I bet you can't get the car.
I drive this back.
I bet you can't get that car.
You don't want that.
Shit, you ain't want that.
You don't want that.
Boom.
You don't want to bet. You don't want to bet, Joel. You don't want to bet.
All he want to do is boom.
Hey,
motherfuckers don't want to bet. That's the first race they've ever won, Joe.
Hey, give me an update.
Hey, you bet it over there, motherfucker. Boom.
I bet on the green. I bet you 100. I bet you 100 where I bet. I bet you 100. I bet you. I didn't think you would.
Hey, got it, man. Appreciate it. I got me my 100, y'all. That came up, baby. We gonna spend it nice, baby. We gonna spend it nice.
Boom.
What they gonna do?
Hey, he said he gonna put up 5,000 to my 2,500 if he drive that car.
Yeah.
Somebody gonna boom, goddamn.
Yeah.
Hey, motherfucker, set that motherfucking ass down, man. They're like John Boy. John Boy down there run over the stands and every goddamn thing, leaving this bitch last night when that Mustang snake got a hold to his motherfucking head. Hey, he come back around, he had 20s on that bitch. My homeboy knocked the 26 forward, whatever he got on that dragon motherfucker. John Boy, boom, goddamn me. I bet you won't bring, go get that ragged motherfucker.
I seen him here a while ago.
Gee, I bet he don't want no action.
I think John Boy.
He ready for James.
He said he ready for James right now.
Hey, I bet y'all, you can't poke John.
You finna load up.
Shit. You go to him with James, he finna hit them turbos and tear his motherfucking ass up out of it.
Where you betting at? Where you betting at?
John Boy.
Okay. John Boy versus James again. Terrence said he bet with John Boy against
James.
Yeah.
How much?
He over there.
Oh, Terrence ain't gonna do shit. I bet John Boy don't even run him no more. I bet you John Boy don't even run him no more.
I'm finna go see.
Hey, what's up, man? We here with
We got 10.
Lookout Racing and we trying to get it in tonight.
We got 10. Yeah.
Boom! Boom, goddamn! Hit John Boy in his ass! Boom! Hey,
man, shit happens.
Boom!
Hey, but I did it first.
Hey, man.
Hey, I did it first, though. I did it first.
When he got his ass whooped, he down there run over trailers and shit, leaving this motherfucker.
Trying to get out of here.
He pulled his shit on the trailer. He wild ass and he down there. Hey,
Who's he running?
James, that super snake did his motherfucker.
I beat him first.
Hey, man.
I beat him first.
Hey.
And I did a full tree. Why didn't I bullet Bill?
Hey, man.
I didn't be a boost.
Were you on your rim?
I ain't be a boost.
You was on your rim?
Hey, he was on
Say,
six.
man, he beat James before.
Okay,
Hey,
well,
then you
speak,
beat-
say that then.
He beat
Go ahead.
James before.
Okay.
How many times?
Hey, 1 and 1.
No, I beat like 4 or 5. From yellow better days.
I whoop you then. You want to go back?
One time. But I beat you though.
You
You ain't racing on the at the track.
Hey, you didn't
That's
want me
because
to
that
go.
girl stepped
Hey,
in time.
what did I do to him?
That girl
Look
stepped in
at
time.
Yeah.
Fuck that.
No, she
Look
stepped in
at
time.
What did I do to him?
I
Thought you
win.
won, D.
Boom. Goddamn.
Where you was at? Fucking time. Tell her where you was on the street.
Man Creek.
Yeah. Hey, that don't even
look,
count. We was at the track
Hey,
though.
man. He
He
need
couldn't
juice.
make it to the
He
track.
was
juicing.
He was juicing on his ring. Down that weak bitch. I down that weak
Man, how many
bitch.
years? That was 12 years
It
ago.
don't matter. I down you.
Hey,
Hey,
He said it don't matter how many
hey,
years
I got
you
the
won.
number one question. Will he get back up there again
Yeah,
today?
we just got back in.
Yeah.
Hey, you got the 20.
Hey, okay.
That's your rate.
Lock it
That's
in.
your
Okay,
rate.
run that turbo, my
What?
Mustang.
I got a Mustang. Let's lock it in.
Okay, lock it in.
What Mustang? What you got?
Yeah, how much you
I don't
want
got a
to
case of
Hey, no, what's wrong with your mother? Tell me lock in. Tell me lock the fuck in. I will fuck anything he got. Yeah, it don't
You gonna be
matter.
okay?
Hey, no, if I'm driving you,
You gonna be driving?
Yeah.
What you trying to do? What you trying to do?
What's wrong with John Boy?
You instigated this, didn't you?
Yeah.
You instigated this.
Yeah.
Say, I will fuck him up. Let him out my side, let that boat tag.
Hey.
Boom. Boom, that thing. Hey, it's silent killing his ass.
He said, hey, it's silent killing.
It's silent killing. Hey, you know how you be silent?
Yeah.
John Boy woke up and tore down there, tore a trailer leaving this raggedy motherfucker. James, he got 20s on his car now. Look at it.
I got 26.
He got, no,
I got
James
20.
not the 26s.
I got 26.
You got 20s.
What you would have betted? What you would have betted with James if we were doing pro tree?
Say, man.
Hold on, ask the question. Ask the
You gonna
question.
bet? They gonna.
Hold on, I'm just saying, what you would have bet with James?
You know James got a
I'm
delay.
just asking a question.
You know he got a delay.
I got a delay.
But where you bet though? With knowing that he got a delay.
Last time.
Okay. Who you lost against? Me?
Yeah.
So,
I bet with James.
so you lost.
But I got this time.
Oh, you double up?
If you would have did a full approach, what you would have betted with?
He ain't gonna do that.
But
I told James.
you want to bet it then? You want to bet it?
Hey man, y'all
I'm just
did
saying.
the tree y'all did.
But that,
You gonna get back up there?
Yeah,
Pro tree?
Hey, I think I know.
Pro
Hey,
tree now.
hey,
Is
man,
you betting this time, pro
Hey,
tree?
what
I
you
think I
bet?
know somebody fucking good.
I bet he won't get his ass.
They say Meals on Wheels.
bet he
You know
won't get
Meals
his
on
ass
Wheels,
up.
John
Yeah,
Boy, you
yeah,
gonna
them-
get
them-
it?
them-
Hey,
Okay.
tag motherfucker, man.
What you in?
In that turbo Mustang.
Man, you ain't got no Turbo Mustang here.
Well, I tell you what, you want to
I
lock
wanna
something
see
in?
it.
I'll let you hit.
I don't want to lock.
I'll let him
He ain't got nothing here.